guys, I'm Jeff the Homestead Dad, and this wind is killing me. You can see this is still down, although I think we're going to be able to repair the garage, or the garage in a box. But I just heard a boom, and this happened. Now we've had problems with this before where the hinges have kind of pulled out. The door is old. I'm not sure how old it is, but we may need to build a new door. The problem is this door, specifically this one, it doesn't stay closed. If we don't latch it, which we don't anymore because we have the inside door, when the wind blows it can catch it and blow it open because there's not enough friction to hold it closed at the bottom. So I'm going to try to get it into the right spot to keep it there, and then I don't know, I'll check and see if I can screw this back in. We'll see. Okay, so we got the door back in spot. It pulled the screws out of the door hinge. So what we're going to do is I've got some different screws. I'm going to put them in a different spot because it just ripped it out of the 2x4. I think if we put it in a different spot, we should hopefully be able to get it to work at least for a while. So we're going to try that. Okay, so I'm going to show you on the outside. The wind is really, really cold. So we just used some different screws. Aquaman is, so he took them out. We just screwed them back in, and the door is back to good. I think, so the problem is, like I said, look, there's nothing here holding it closed. So when my parents first bought this property, they didn't have an inside garage door, they just had this barn door. So what they used was these, and they'd put a one by in between here, like this, and it would lock everything down. So the one by would go all the way across here, and it would close it, keep both the doors closed, which is fine. We use this door mostly, so what I think I might do is go see if I can find some like some paint shims and just put them on the outside of this, and then we can easily pull them out when we need to open that door. But 95% of the time all we're using is this door. Unless we're getting the tractor out, we don't need this door open. So if I just put some shims in it so that the wind can't pull it open because there's nothing here, like right now we've kicked it so far in that it's got a little bit, but even that doesn't hold when the wind is really nasty. So if I just put a couple shims, I think we'll be good. This was a much quicker fix than the garage in a box, but it's still really windy and it's still really cold. So that was a quick but very cold fix. See you guys later.